Welcome back to TM Academy. Okay, let's have another problem. Our function of y is equal to the log of 3x minus 7 to the base 2. Okay, so our solution here. So we will let u again be equal to 3x minus 7. And our function of y now will be log of u to the base 2. Okay, so using the chain rule, we have the dy over dx is equal to the dy over du times the du over dx. And this is equal to d over du of y, which is the log of u to the base 2. Okay, times the d over dx of 3x minus 7. Okay, so we have now dy over dx is equal to, what is the derivative of log of u to the base 2? That is 1 over u ln of 2. Multiply it by the derivative of 3x minus 7, that is 3. Okay, and this is equal to 1 over u times ln of 2, multiply it by 3, that is 3 all over u ln of 2. Okay, so lastly, our dy over dx is equal to 3 all over u, which is 3x minus 7 times the ln of 2. Okay, so this is our dy over dx. Okay, let's have another problem. Okay, our function of y is equal to 4x minus 5 times e raised to 3x minus 7. Okay, so we have our solution will be v du plus u dv. Using the product rule, we will let u be equal to 4x minus 5, and we will let v be equal to e raised to 3x minus 7. Okay, so our dy over dx is equal to e raised to 3x minus 7. Multiply it by the derivative of u, which is 4x minus 5, plus u, which is 4x minus 5, times d over dx of e raised to 3x minus 7. Okay, we have dy over dx is equal to e raised to 3x minus 7. Derivative of 4x minus 5 is 4, plus 4x minus 5. Okay, so on this part, d over dx of e raised to 3x minus 7, we will use the chain rule. We have d over du of e raised to u times d over dx of 3x minus 7. Okay, dy over dx is equal to e raised to 3x minus 7, multiply it by 4, that is 4 e raised to 3x minus 7, plus we have 4x minus 5. Derivative of e raised to u is still e raised to u, and derivative of 3x minus 7 is 3. Okay, this is equal to 4e raised to 3x minus 7. I guess this one must be 7. Okay, then plus, okay, 4x minus 5 times e raised to u times 3 is 4x minus 5. E raised to, our u is 3x minus 7. Okay, so finally, our dy over dx is equal to, we have common factor here, which is e raised to 3x minus 7. That is e raised to 3x minus 7. Multiply it by, we have 4 plus, okay, 3 times 4x, that is 12x. 12x. Then minus 15. Okay, or we have e raised to 3x minus 7. Multiply it by 12x minus 11. Okay, so this is our dy over dx. Okay, so let's have another problem. Okay. Okay, our function of y is equal to the ln of e raised to 2x. Okay, so our solution here, again, we will let u be equal to e raised to 2x. And our function of y now will be ln of u. Okay, using the chain rule, we have dy over dx is equal to the dy over du multiplied by the du over dx. Okay, this is equal to the d over du of y, which is the ln of u, times the d over dx of u, which is e raised to 2x. Okay, so dy over dx is equal to derivative of ln of u is 1 over u times, okay, so here we will use again chain rule. That is d over du of e raised to u times the d over dx of 2x. Okay, we have dy over dx is equal to 1 over u multiplied by derivative of e raised to u is still e raised to u. Multiply it by the derivative of 2x, that is 2. Okay, so this is equal to 1 over u. Here is what? That is e raised to 2x. Multiply it by the 2e raised to 2x. Okay, so as you can see, we can cancel out the e raised to 2x. Okay, so lastly, our dy over dx is just 2. Okay, so this is the derivative of the given function y is equal to the ln of e raised to 2x. Okay, let's have this one. Function of y is equal to e, or let's say e raised to the ln of 5x minus 6. Okay, our solution here is we will let u again be equal to the ln of 5x minus 6, and our function of y here is e raised to u. Okay, using the chain rule, we have the dy over dx is equal to the dy over du times the du over dx. And this equal to the d over du of derivative of y, which is e raised to u, multiply it by the d over dx of the ln of 5x minus 6. Okay, we have the dy over dx is equal to derivative of e raised to u is still e raised to u. Multiply it by, here, we will use again the chain rule, that is d over du of ln of u times the d over dx of 5x minus 6. Okay, we have the dy over dx is equal to e raised to u times the derivative of ln of u is 1 over u. Multiply it by the derivative of 5x minus 6, which is 5. Okay, this is e raised to u multiplied by 1 over u times 5 is 5e raised to u all over u. Okay, so lastly, our dy over dx is equal to 5. E raised to u here is the ln of 5x minus 6 all over u, which is 5x minus 6. Okay, so this is the derivative of the given function. Thank you for watching.